As some of you may already know, it takes as much as 200 tons of water to produce 1 ton of fabric. Since less than 1% of the world's water is drinkable, and our demand for it is on track to double over the next 40 years, this is an issue we need to address. And we will be much more effective if we address it together.
NRDC has been at work to reduce the impact of this industry for about 4 years now. We had no choice but to follow the pounds of pollution abroad. And that's why we opened an office in Beijing, China. What we found when we got there was that the standard of operation of many, if not most factories, was far, far below global standards and desperately needed to improve. We have found opportunities to reduce impacts using means that actually save the factories money, with process efficiency improvements that are win-win, so to speak. In one of our first showcase examples, the mill invested only about $70,000, and within the first year had saved nearly $850,000 in its operation. The era of operating without knowledge of your factories abroad is ending, and the curtain is essentially rising about the sorts of problems and operations that we have abroad.
In this very difficult economy, my first priority is making sure that New York maintains its leadership as the fashion capital of the world and continues to be an engine for job growth. You know, this is such an opportunity for all of us, as an industry, as New Yorkers, as people who do an extraordinary job in creating economic growth. And to join with NRDC to take on this mission, I think is unprecedented and really heralding a new era of what social change can be done by industry. And so I just want to congratulate Clean by Design, everyone in this room, NRDC, for taking that next step. That is the difference between change and the status quo. Thank you so much.